Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved the examples of exercise 4B. Now I am going to start exercise. Type 1 question. Subtract a 675 and 3874 654. We have to subtract from 6758723 to 3874654. Here we see that 4 is greater than 3, so we borrow 1 tens. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9, and again 1 is less than 5, so again we borrow 1 tens. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 5 minus 7, here we take borrow from 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7, and 6 minus 8. So we borrow 1 tens. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So subtract 3874,654 from 6758723 is 2884069. Similarly, you will solve B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All questions of question number 1 are same. Similarly, you will solve one question. You can solve all questions of type 1. Now I am going to type 2. I am going to solve from type 2. In type 2, what's problem? The sum of two numbers is 92,354. If one of them is 58345, 58,345, find the second number. To solve such questions, we read carefully and decide whether addition is required or subtraction is required. So here the sum of two numbers, type 2, sum of two numbers, in question number 2, sum of two numbers is given. Sum of two numbers is 92,354. 92,354, and one of them is 58,345. one number is one number is equal to 58,345. 58,345. We have to find the other number. Finding other numbers, we subtract the sum of two numbers. We subtract first number from the sum of two numbers. So, other number is equal to the second number. Other number is equal to sum of two numbers 92354 minus 58345. After we subtracting, we get the other number is 34,009. Here in type 2 questions, number 2, sum of two numbers is given 92,354 and one number is 58,345. We have to find the second number. To find second number, we subtract the first number from the sum of two numbers. After subtracting, we get 34,009. So, and in question number 3, we are given by how much is 52,73,084 less than 81,52,709. Here we see that 52,73,844 is less than 81,52,709. So, solving this question, we subtract second number from the first number. I had told you that in subtraction, read carefully whatever is required, addition is required or subtraction is required. Here we subtract the second number from the first number because second number is greater than first number. By how much is? So, here greater number is 81,52701. 81 greater number is 81,52709. 81,52,709. And the smaller number is 52 lakh. A smaller number is equal to 52,73,084. So much 52,73,884 is less than 81,52,709. So we subtract the smaller number from greater number. After subtracting, we get the difference is equal to 81,52,709 minus 52,73,084. After subtracting, we have 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, 2 minus 3, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 4 minus 7, 47 minus 7 is equal to 7, and 0 minus 2, we borrow 110, so 0 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 2879,625. So a smaller number is 28,79,625 less than 81,52,701. So we write the answer less. 28,79,625 less than greater number 81,52,700. In question number 3, by how much is 52,73,084 is less than 81,52,709. To find, we subtract a smaller number from greater number. After subtracting, we find that 28,79,625 less than. One more question I am going to solve, and I hope that you can solve all the questions. At first, you read the question and decide whatever addition is required or subtraction is required. You can try, and in next class, I will solve your problem. Thank you.